Hey adventurers, are you ready for some epic discovery as we uncover hidden treasures in Uruguay's historic Colonia del Sacremento and navigate Argentina's stunning Tigre Delta, all with an amazing tour guide and thrilling geocaching twists. And this adventure, well, it starts now. I'm Jay.
I'm Laura.
And we're the LANMonkeys. We're two crazy Canadian cachers traveling the world, finding amazing experiences using geocaching as our tour guide. Hey adventurers, so we are on the Buquebus Ferry. We are on our way over to Uruguay from Argentina. So one of our first stops here in the old city is this lighthouse, which is built on the ruins of an old convent, which is pretty cool. It's also a UNESCO heritage site. So we've completed our walking tour and now we're off to find some geocaches. But one thing I can definitively say about today, the mosquitoes are bad. Now this might look like we're heading down to the ocean, but we're not. This is actually the river delta. The river delta here is so wide that you just can't see the other shore. Having completed the adventure lab, now we are on our way to go find a traditional and then I believe an earth cache, which, you know, that kind of makes my day. Let's see what we can find.
To do today my favorite tour in Buenos Aires city. Let's go to do the Tigre tour or Delta of the Paraná River tour. Actually it's the same tour because we're going to visit and navigate the Delta of the Paraná River and our boat trip will begin in the city of Tigre.
Hey adventurers, so today we are about 20 kilometers north and we are going to check out the area of Tigre. So this is a river delta area and lots of cool stuff to see. We're going to go on a boat tour and might not be a terrible amount of geocaching, at least not this morning, but hopefully some pretty cool sightseeing. So let's hop on the boat, see what we can find out.
Okay, hello, good morning. Welcome everybody. My name is Emiliano Rossi. I am a tour guide of Buenos Aires City, and we are now in the port of Frutos, or the fruit port, that is the market here in the northern area of Buenos Aires. We are in an area very different as the city because this is the market of the islanders, this beautiful city of islands close here, very close from here. And you will see now in the video all the activities of the islanders and all the things that they made and they produce with a good or weaker, very different market if you compare it with Buenos Aires City. Okay, so welcome everybody, and if you want to visit this place with me, I am here. Emiliano is my name. Thank you very much.
So adventurers, we've journeyed to Uruguay by Buquebus, where geocaching led us to lovely Latin locations, and then Emiliano took us to the treasures of the Tigre and the Paraná River Delta. We experienced a unique blend of history, culture, and geocaching, and hope you have enjoyed it also. But before we go, here are some tasty travel tips to make your adventures in these locations even better. Book your Buquebus early, it gets busy. Bring your passport to the Buquebus because it's going to a different country. Bring bug repellent, the mosquitoes were bad in Uruguay. Plan ahead for the Tigre tour. Tours range from 1 hour and up, and it's a beautiful, relaxing day. Bring some cash for the Puerto de Frutos market. Most shops take credit card also, and don't forget to get an ice cream. Most importantly, get yourself a great tour guide like Emiliano. We want to thank you so much for watching. Remind you, if you enjoyed this, to like, subscribe, comment on your favorite part of the adventure down below. And adventurers, we can't wait to take you on an amazing adventure. In the next episode, we start our Antarctic adventures. So subscribe now and don't miss any of it. And in the meantime, always remember to cache safely and cache often.